Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the borrow feature on Cash App. This feature lets you take a small loan directly through the app, but it's still being rolled out gradually to users. To check if you have access, open Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right, scroll down, and tap Support. In the search bar, type Borrow, then select it to see current eligibility details. Right now, Cash App Borrow isn't available to everyone. It depends on factors like your state of residence, whether you have an active cash card, your Cash App usage, and your credit history. To improve your chances, make sure you've ordered and activated your cash card. Use the app regularly for payments and transfers. And set up direct deposit to receive your paychecks into Cash App instead of a bank. These steps can increase your activity level and show Cash App you are a reliable user. If you still don't see the borrow option, message Cash App support in the chat and ask if you are eligible. Once unlocked, the borrow feature will appear under more ways to add money.